What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you can see now, I'm back at my table, and I wanted to give you guys an update on my front wheel drive build. It is currently undergoing some body work, as you guys can see. Normally, it doesn't come like this, but you know how it is on my channel. I like to do a lot of customizing, and this is what it is so far. I still have parts to come in for this. As you can see, I cut the front of Subaru bumper, which is from a build that I did a couple years ago, and then now I managed to fit it onto this underbody. It took some work and some ironing out and stuff like that, but it managed to come out kind of well. You guys can leave a comment about it and tell me what you think. But this is what's the latest on it. I'm still waiting for some parts to come in. That might take a little while. So while those come in, I'll say to myself, why not just take my time and just upgrade the body and see how I can change the look. Because for me, after I do a certain look, I get a little bit tired of it, and then I want to try something new. So that is basically what it is. I'll be doing more on this build to really tell you guys what's going to really happen with this. Before, I did mention that I will be doing upgrade of some of the parts on it, and pushing for some better times with the build. So stay tuned on what's going to happen for this. There are going to be new electronics in it as well, and for this car over here, I do plan to do some more upgrades to it, but baby steps, because as I said, I still have this one working on, and this one will be the official drag car that I'm going to be really putting out of power. And thing with this build over here is that with all-wheel drive, you need the gyro for this, because it's hard to really control up top when it really starts to get up on power. But also, I'm trying from my end to really dial in the suspension and everything on it as well, to really get things going. I have my stabilizer bars inside of it, sorry, and that's really helping with the firmness of the body to kind of prevent the body roll and stuff. So everything that I really put on these cars, guys, it makes sense, and it is for something. It's not always just for looks. And even the reason I cut out the hole here, because the AC, I want maximum breeze to go to the AC as well. So like, share, and subscribe, and this is what's really going on and all my builds right now. I really wanted to get this one up to a point. Yeah, guys, my street is literally like a racetrack, but really wanted to get this car up to point, and then to a certain point, and then pause that. But as I said, as I wait for the parts to come in for this one, we'll continue to do some work on this one. This is not going to really be a full-on like drag car. It's more going to be like a street car, such as a drag car, so to speak. But mainly bashing on the streets and stuff like that. But I still want to get it very strong and very safe. So we'll be talking more about that. So anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Leave a comment, drop a like, and stay tuned for more.